So I've got myself a little scissor jack here, but there's no handle. So I'm going to make one. Found a bit of bar here and a couple of little pieces of pipe. I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to bend this to the shape of a handle. Now that I've got all these ready, I've got to go over to a mate's place because my bench vise here isn't strong enough, or should I say my bench isn't strong enough to be able to bend any of this. Well, that was super easy. It was just a matter of heating it up and bending it. What I'm doing now is putting a little plate on the end here so my little handle doesn't fall off. And I'll get the welder out, weld that up. Well, like all good plans, they're meant to fail. Well, so I'm told. Couldn't get this welded on. All I did was just fill up that hole. I couldn't get enough heat into the bar. So what I'm doing here is running a die over this. And I'm just going to use a nut. Now you might notice that my die doesn't have a holder because my die holder decided to break on me. I've had this for so many years and it's finally just given it up. I guess I need a new die holder, but I've managed to start this and, well, I used a pair of these at first, got it to start, and now I'm just using a screwdriver just so I can turn it. I'll get some thread on that and I'll show you when I've done it. Well, there's some thread on that rod and that wasn't hard at all. But I guess what I've got to do now is find a nut that fits. Well, with that end done, it's time to move on to this end. So I'm just cut another bit of bar and I'm just going to weld it straight onto the end. Well, that's all done and you can see how it's all turned out. Chuck her in there and that all works great. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!